your little boy Pooh.
All right, can I just tell you guys how much I'm loving my new costume design class?
Oh.
And my teacher says I have a gift for knowing people's exact measurements.
Hey, people, please.
I'm not with him.
Hey, Rob, you want me to tell you what size your pants are?
I already know. They're a size 4.
Size 4?
That's how they measure girls' pants.
What? Rex, you promised me these were boys' jeans. You've been rigged.
Oh my God, I love your dress.
Thanks. It's what I wear in the movie. When I die.
Kat, what up with the crazy costume?
I'm Cyclids.
That's a great costume. Maybe you can dress me for my funeral.
I could so do that.
Come on now, there's not gonna be a funeral.
Aw.
We're all gonna come down the set, keep you cool, watch you land safe and sound right on that ass sack. Unless you miss it. I don't think you'll miss it.
No. No.
Hi.
Yay, Kat made another costume.
Look, I'm Kat, international spy. It's not real. How's your audition going? I'm in the middle of it. That's so exciting.
I'm sorry, who is...
She's my friend Kat.
You brought a superhero?
I bet your left arm is 34 inches long.
It is.
Good old Kat.
Whoosh. Hi. Ha.
I can't do it. Sup?
My name is Mr. Derange. Is this Sam and Cat Super Rockin' Fun Time babysitting service?
Yep.
Stand aside.
So, where is the kid you want us to babysit?
She's out in the hallway. Come, Clarice. She's shy. I'll fetch her.
Where did you find this guy?
At a flower shop
Oh.
by a graveyard.
Ah.
This is my daughter, Clarice. Clarice, meet Sam and Cat.
Hey.
What's that, Clarice? No, they're not twins. But wouldn't that be precious?
I thought you wanted us to babysit your daughter.
Indeed, I do. Cat, would you hold her carefully for a moment? Here's a list of instructions you'll need to follow as you look after Clarice.
This is a list of things you want us to do for that.
For her, yes. Please read it out loud. Taking turns.
Do not let Clarice become filthy.
But if she does become filthy, you must bathe her.
She enjoys the bath.
You're paying us double, right?
Certainly. Well, according to my pocket watch, it's time for me to take my leave. Clarice. Daddy loves you.
That man is so freaky.
Beck! Beck!
Yes?
Beck? I'm not Beck, I'm you.
Wait, but how did you... Where did you get that dress?
Cat made it. Are you sweating?
Yeah. I think I'm having an anxiety attack. I don't want to do the stunt. I'm scared.
It's okay. I got this.
Wait, what are you
Wait here.
Wow.